for you guys? Happy New Year and welcome to my first video of 2023. My cat's in the background. She's making an appearance already. Don't mind her. I'm really excited about today's video. It was highly requested for me to film this, and you guys know me, I love to do makeup videos still, so I'm really happy I can kick off the new year with a tutorial. Obviously, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are doing brows today. I have been doing my eyebrows so different from what I typically do and what I did in the past. So I wanted to share it with you guys because a lot of you have been loving it and you guys have been giving me compliments on these eyebrows. So I've been doing that more fluffy eyebrow. Now I don't go full fluff and crazy feathering, but I like to have a more cleaner line, but you can still see my individual hairs. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows currently because it's very trendy, it's very in, but it really just changes the shape of your face and your whole entire look. Eyebrows make a huge difference. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. So before we get into it, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video and my other videos that I have. If you have any requests, please let me know because I do want to do more tutorials in the new year. I'm really excited. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when my videos are posted. If you want more content from me, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. I will leave everything linked down below, and I'm really excited to show you guys how to do these brows today. All right, so we are zoomed in so you guys have a better view of what I'm doing here, and you guys can see my eyebrows here are just my natural brow. This is how they grow and this is how they sit. So they go down for the most part. Like all my hairs are growing downwards. So what we're going to do with the brow lift is pretty much lift up the brow hairs. That's my cat. If you see her in the background, don't mind her. But yeah, this is my natural normal brow. Let's jump right into it. This is the e.l.f. brow lift right here. I have used so much of this product. I probably need a new one very soon, but it's pretty much a clear gel and it's so good. I haven't tried the other ones. I know there's a few on the market right now that are really popular, but the e.l.f. brow gel is like $6 and the brow tool as well is very affordable. So I just bent mine. So this does come completely straight. I bent mine because it's easier to dip it into the jar like this, and then it also has this little spatula end, which is really nice. Just a quick tip, whenever you guys use this, always completely wipe it clean after every use, because if you don't, the gel will continue to build up and then it gets clumpy. So I always make sure to clean off my spoolie after I use it whenever I'm done with my brow, and it never clumps. I actually like to use my spoolie with it pointing towards my nose. So on this side, I'll use it this way because it's easy to apply and go in upward motions. Now for this side, if I kept using it in this direction, my nose kind of gets in the way. So on this side, I will flip it and I will use it this way. So point of the spoolie goes towards your nose, like inwards towards your face. So just again, quick tip. I'm gonna take my spoolie and just press it into the brow gel a few times just to get that one side completely coated. And then all I'm going to do is just brush this gel into my brow hairs. Another tip is to make sure your brows are completely clean. So if you did your foundation, your concealer, and all of that, and you have makeup on your eyebrow, it will get extremely clumpy. So make sure you clean off your brows. I just used a paper towel. I cleaned mine off right before I started this video, so there's no foundation or powder or concealer or anything on them. I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit more. I dipped it in one more time just to really coat the edge here. My brows tend to stick up a lot, so if you have really thick hairs like mine, you might need to go in for another coat. But my ends, like my tail right here, tends to stick up, and I want it to stay down for the most part. So now what I'm going to do is take this metal side and I'm just going to press my brows down. Now I actually just press the bottom edge of my eyebrow right here, like the bottom half. I don't press all the way up because I am going to want to brush these hairs over once they dry, and I don't want them to completely stick to my skin. So just the bottom half, and then when it comes to the tail, I press the entire thing down because these are stragglers. They have a mind of their own, so I want to make sure they stay as down as possible. Now I'm actually just going to wipe this clean after doing that brow so I can do the other brow. Crazy, but we are going to let these brows dry. This is typically when I go in and do my eye makeup. So I'll do my eyeshadow, my mascara, all of it. I already have that done, so we're just going to wait a few minutes until these dry down a little bit. Okay, now that the brows are pretty much dried, I'm going to take the same spoolie that's wiped clean. I wiped it with a paper towel, and I'm just going to brush the edges over just to give it a more seamless and clean edge right here. And you can brush them down to make them thinner or leave them up to make them fluffier. It's really up to you, but that's pretty much the gist of it. Now some of these brow hairs down here are getting a little long, so I might tweeze those and I can fill them in as well. I'm going to show you guys how I fill them in, but let me brush this side really fast. You guys can see how quick it is because we press them down with this metal spatula and we let them dry. You can definitely leave it like this if you're going for that super natural look, or you can go in with a brow powder like this one here. This is the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, and mine's pretty old. I don't even know if they make this anymore. They might still make this, but in different packaging. This is number 5. So all I do is pretty much mix the two colors on any angled brow brush, and I just fill in these sparse areas, which is typically around my tail. The front of my brow is pretty full, but sometimes I like to just fill in this bottom part here just to really capture that fullness. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this current eyebrow tutorial right here. It was highly requested, so I'm really glad I could do this for you guys. Please let me know in the comments if you guys are doing your eyebrows like this, or if you're interested in trying this. It's really affordable. Again, the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel is $6. I got mine at Ulta. You can find it at Target or online. And then I believe the spoolie tool, also from e.l.f., is I think around $6 as well. So if you want more videos like this, please let me know. Leave any requests down below for tutorials or makeup ideas and stuff like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So please subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!